Eddie,
Yeah.
you know what I've really found interesting at NRGsolar?
Yeah.
Something we don't do in Australia. Balcony solar systems.
I know.
The amount of people that are setting up a single panel with one seemingly micro inverter is what it is, and it's a DIY setup. They're plugging in their own battery and must be running some small loads in their home.
Yeah, so this one here's got like 2.3 kilowatt hour battery somewhere. I don't know where that is.
And this down here. That's what.
Oh, that's what that's simulating.
Yeah.
And this 800 watt, whatever this is, micro inverter.
Yeah.
And for a small little unit, you're away one or two panels and you're done.
So no roof space, no problems.
No roof space, no. And you know what would go really well with that? Like a Tesla Powerwall. Just using time of use to charge cheap, get what it can from solar for free, take the rest cheap, and see you through the expensive times of day.
It would take out the DIY though. Obviously, Powerwall's a beast to install.
Yeah, that's
this is plug and play. Hey Ed.
Yeah, mate.
What do you think this panel is? It's kind of only got half the amount of cells as every other panel.
Well, bro, I think that you would use this if you were building a apartment building or office building, and you wanted natural light to come in.
So it's a window.
It's a window. So you've got your natural light. You're showing everyone that you're powered by solar.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good window. I mean, if you look through there,
you're right.
you can see plenty, right?
You can probably see more than like a perforated window. You know when they have signage on the outside?
Definitely, right? And I actually think this is killer. And also, have you seen this? So these colour glazed designs, 157 watts a square metre. You pick a colour to match your roof.
It's actually more efficient than the ones I've seen earlier.
Yeah, it is.
Can you show us how it operates?
Is this a carport for
It's a hangar, Eddie. That's a hangar.
Oh,
it's a tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Go from. Can you push the button and it closes?
Yes.
You show
Please do.
Zoom in on this. That's wild.
Wow. So, do you guys build the structure and you can put any panels on it?
Exactly.
Right. Wow. Yeah. So, you know, in America they have a lot of problems with roof leaks.
Yeah.
It's because they use this shingled asphalt stuff.
Yeah, over the top of like MDF board.
Yeah.
And then they have to like change their whole roof every 15 years.
People do big case studies on feet not leaking. Like the things we take for granted, using great racking systems like Schledder. And they're here in NRGsolar giving a demo on how it doesn't leak. Must be a big problem.
Yeah, well, it makes no sense. So this is rail-less.
A lot of American stuff's railless.
Yeah.
So
they don't like the rail.
They do the foot, and then it's all like a lot of it's railless.
Yeah, right.
In Australia, we obviously use rail on pretty much everything.
Do you reckon this metal tile roof's common? I've never seen that in America. I haven't even seen it here.
Yeah, we've got some. It's called dechromastic, I believe, in Australia, metal tile.
Yes, Jake.
Have you ever used a sun eye?
I have.
I seen one in the hall back there.
It's the most ridiculous idea. I guess once upon a time it was helpful to have, but we've actually got one in our office.
We've got one too, and it's been used, I reckon, once or twice.
Yeah, because it's such a weird situation.
Do you think that the PV software that we have now, Pylon, Open Solar, is more accurate and surpasses it? Because the sun eye was fairly accurate, to be fair.
Yeah, look, but I think back in the day you needed to be accurate, right? Because you had 6 panels, there were hardly any wattage.
Yep.
I think today you can be 90%, and the customer will still get a great experience because you're self-consuming what? 30%, 40, 50,
30, 40,
60, you know, if you're lucky.
Yeah.
So, whereas back in the day you were consuming all of it, so you needed to be more accurate.
Yeah.
So, yes, I think...
sun eye, a thing of the past.
I don't think it's a thing anymore.
Yeah, done. Ed,
What?
what do you think about hydrogen storage?
It's a great question. It just keeps coming up.
Yeah, everyone's talking about it, aren't
But
they?
it doesn't seem to be in the market. Like, there's a lot of talk.
Yeah.
But have you ever seen one installed?
I've never seen it in real life, but Saul Griffiths thinks it's dangerous.
Oh, like
Dangerously
dangerously good or dangerously bad?
So. I think just dangerous.
Right, okay.
What do you think about Solar Edge?
Well, they don't say how many moving parts are in there. Right, between this system and the optimizers on the roof. You know, I actually think Solar Edge do a pretty good job marketing, if I'm honest.
Yeah, you said that today.
Yeah, like I think it looks like it should be good.
Yeah.
But the difficulty is there's lots of problems with it. You know, we get phone calls. We've never sold a Solar Edge system, but we get a lot of phone calls from people saying, I've got one and I've got problems and can you help me try and sort them out? And that's worrying. Because if they were easy to maintain, I wouldn't be getting phone calls. And I think people walk away from them and think I made a bad choice.
They do innovate quite well though, don't they? They're doing car chargers, hot water diverters, batteries themselves.
Yeah.
But to be fair, this here looks quite nicely finished. You know, like it's not plastic.
That's what I mean. Like their marketing and their strategy is good. I mean, look, this is what you want. You want an all-in-one, everything covered.
One platform.
One app, one inverter, like one place to call, one monitoring. So it's got it all. That part's good.
Solar Edge, people who install Solar Edge die hard too. You know, like when they do it, they do it. They dive in and just, that's all they do, you know. It's crazy. I wonder how their service departments go.